Hey everyone, I got a Pro Point brake caliper tool set. Now this is for spinning back your loaded calipers, like your twisting calipers, mainly for that have an emergency brake attached to them. The kit's designed to spin the caliper back and push it in at the same time. Now I added a couple extra pieces to my kit. It's not a new kit, I use this quite often, and I'll kind of take you through it. Alright, so I got the Pro Point brake caliper tool set. It's got pretty good locks on it. There's a little pad there that goes on top. I'm just going to point out right away, this here does not come with the kit, and this does not come with the kit. I just cut the case and I added two pieces in. Now, with this here, this more or less comes out. This screws on. Well, hold on. Put it together this way. Oh. I'm just going to show you how it works really quick. Okay, so this here would go in your caliper. Oh, this here would go in your caliper. I had, on this kit here, I had to shave down this edge a little bit because it wasn't fitting in some calipers. It was sticking too far out. So I shaved that edge down some so it would fit in a little bit better. Now, you would take, see if I can't load this up somehow. Oh yeah, that would work. So, you would take your bit, you'd find the right bit for your caliper. There's going to be like two little notches, or sometimes there's four notches in the caliper. They're different sizes. See, like this here is further away, this one's closer in. Then you get some bigger stuff. I haven't came across something that I needed something that big yet. It's probably just a different type of vehicle or application. This one's a little bit bigger, it's only one-sided. Now, the ones I added to the kit was this one here. It's this is the one that they use on the Mazda 3s. I believe it's Mazda 3. Yeah, on Mazdas. The holes on the caliper are a lot narrower, a lot closer together. And your generic block that you would just put on your extension doesn't have it on it. So I had to turn around and buy this, but I'll show you just to fit for the Mazda 3, so that's why it's in this kit now. It doesn't come with the kit, but the majority of the other ones, the two popular, this one here and this one here in the automotive industry, that the stuff that we're used to working on, takes these two. That's the two popular ones. Then there's this bad boy right here that only works on Mazda. It might work on some other ones, but it's you needed it for the Mazda. So you would more or less put that on the end of your extension. Your extension comes through. This goes on your extension. Okay, like that. You can rotate the outside bar. We'll see what I'm rotating here. You rotate that, you fit it in, you kind of put it snug by hand, you put your ratchet on there, you would turn this some, and then you would also turn your ratchet some. As you can see, I'm turning the extension by that. So you would turn your ratchet to turn the end as you're turning this in. So you're going to probably spin the caliper more than you are going to be pushing it in. So it's a little here, a little on the depth, and so on and so forth until your caliper's all the way in and seated all the way back. If it starts to jam up, back it off a hair, try it again, and if it really don't want to go in, probably going to need a caliper, but for the most part, they do tend to jam up from time to time, the caliper, but you just wiggle them back and forth a little bit, readjust it. It normally goes back, unless you're having a brake issue or something like that, where the pads are prematurely wearing out. It's metal on metal, like, you know, you'll figure it out. Have faith in yourself. Play a little common sense. But yeah, that's the ProPoint brake caliper toolkit from Princess Auto. It's a pretty decent little kit. I found it was a pretty good bang for your buck, so that's what I went with. Alright, so there you have it. That's the ProPoint brake caliper tool set for spinning back the loaded calipers, screw type calipers. So if you want to see some more tool videos, like, share, subscribe, and don't be shy to check out my other videos. Okay, thanks.